So that's the demonic nature. Let's read what this says. We're going to have everything when we come on, when my daughter and I come to the west lawn of the Capitol building for the to participate in the Family Preservation DC rally. We are going to have the justification, the evolution, the forms, the administrative solutions, the tools development that account for this practice model. And see our new banner? I'm gonna be wearing this. My daughter won't do it, but I'm gonna be wearing this as my sandwich board banner. All right. We're gonna show how we already are showing how use your custom designed promotional items for fundraising. What do you need fundraising for? Legal fees. Even though you're pro se, you still have legal fees, right? And also to attract attorneys. Once you file pro se, the attorneys are able to see, if it's court compliant, the attorneys are able to see the qualified attorneys, class action firms, unity of purpose firms. They're able to see the merits of the case. They're able to see the jurisdictional challenges. They're able to see this is about more than one claim. This is a class action, unity of purpose. So one of our laws, I'm not finishing these thoughts. One of the laws is going to be making a federal law that not only can judges, state court judges enlist the help of the U.S. Marshals and the Federal Fugitive Task Force, having proven that they've done it many times. This one particular judge, Robert J. Matthews and Kevin M. Docket, continue to do it. They're abusing our federal law enforcement, telling all-out lies. And after we prove it to you, as I did by hand delivering to our U.S. Attorney here, Zane David Meminger, and writing letters to Erick Holder, that they're lying. And here's the proof of the lies. And it's not me saying it. It's their own officers up at CFCF, the jail, Officer Willis and Officer Gordon, telling us, yeah, he announced in court that she may be expedited release, but we just got orders from Judge Matthews' chambers that not only is any release being expedited, but we have orders to hold indefinitely without charges. That's a false arrest. My daughter and I have suffered 4 false arrests, and they are threatening 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th. And when they falsely arrest you, there's no record of it. You're literally black-bagged. And they're attempting murder on you. They're doing everything from beating the living bejesus out of you, and you don't know who the hell you are, to injecting you with fatal diseases that work on you over time, and you're dead in 6 months. Okay? So, yeah. All right. And we're going to talk about our legal notice and warning that's posted now at HireLyrics, our Grinage family versus corrupt Philadelphia judges, and how any family, use your family surname because it affects your whole family. It's your heritage. It's your bloodline that they're taking and they're stealing. And when they wipe out your business and they wipe out your earnings and they embed repetitive billing on you, that's when there's forced billing and fraud billing. So we have begun demonstrating an administrative solution. Act lawfully, but aggressively, assert your right to do so, submitting invoicing to the city controller. Here's our bill at $500 an hour. Every time we have to stop working in our community, developing our community, galvanizing the vote, building our businesses, taking care of our families, to document your latest falsification of identity documents, to document that you're opening up fraudulent child support claims that we never asked for, that we take care of our own child, and that your court has no freaking jurisdiction over anything that happens to Grinage family, given the crimes of 47 felonies that have been proven and shown in 3 federal dockets in Pennsylvania Eastern District, beginning with Roxanne Grinage versus Fern Brown Kaplan et al., U.S. District Court, Pennsylvania Eastern District, 209 CV 04119 MSG. That's Honorable Mitchell S. Goldberg. And look at the filing on 7/6/2010, where I demonstrated in a 58-page filing, Figure 1 for the first time, an administrative solution series. Docket never lies. Individual accountability for child slaughter, U.S. economy fraud, court and education reform, state of emergency is measured in docket analysis. I used Figure 1 to show all other related documents, providing active links to every single lie that was told, every single prejudicial finding. Every single time a filing was filed at 4:35 in the afternoon and at 5 minutes to 5, it was dismissed. How could you read 115 pages in 20 minutes? Okay, so I'm just saying, all right? You know what I'm saying. All right, then. So I'm looking forward to meeting anybody who wants to meet me on, let me just show you this. This is the result of schematics. The schematics have won several recognitions as an invention of business method. For me, in my mind, it was just common sense. You know, what goes around comes around. Do the right thing because it's the right thing to do it. And community and neighbors have been watching out for each other's family and children and businesses since that's how we were raised. Okay, so. But for some reason, in traditional business community, we got away from that, and with the fall of Enron, we started having a consciousness about corporate honesty in America. So HireLyrics answer to that back in 2000 when we were founded, HireLyrics, we said the answer is going to provide standard access, regardless of who you know or what you have, to standard services, personality independent, to allow the creator of original creative work products, including those creators of families and business ideas, to enter competitive markets fair. All right? Litigation is an industry. Here's our federal crime victim statement. It's printed on these shirts. If one of us should fall, or 10 of us should fall, or 100 of us should fall, we will have a community needs powered personality independent mechanism in place which will automatically trigger the rescue of children of all ages kidnapped for profit injured as a result of official corruption, fraud, and civil rights. With much love and respect, strongest prayers. This is Roxanne Grinage. I'm Ezekiel and Arriyel's grandma, and I'm also Grayson Shamuel Grinage's grandma. They're angels. I love you all. God bless.